All right, we are going to look at Zcash and another one from 2017 that's all the way back down here at the bottom. We can put it on log, non-log. You can kind of get the idea that the floor is in, the bottom is in here. So are these things going to start pumping soon? That's the big question I have to ask. Either the bottom is in and we're just going to completely go sideways, or the bottom's about to fall out and things are going to just start going to zero here. So looking at Zcash, we'll try to make the case for the bottom is potentially in here. You can see that from this low back in June, we made a slightly higher low here in August for this little move up. So that is bullish market structure forming here on the daily candles. So that macro bottom may be in here, and this thing's finally going to start moving higher. So here on the daily chart, you can see the momentum is just in the middle doing nothing. Let's see here. We do have the price staying flat. Okay, so let's look over at the Heikin-Ashi candles. The Heikin-Ashi just rolled over to green here, getting a little bounce. So it's really not doing anything at the moment from what I see here on the chart. You can see that from the high to the low, got stuck right at your 21, right at your 382 here at 26. So technically in the short term, you're still bearish here. So there is a chance that we come down here to the bottom at 21. Once more, and then there's a good chance we hold on to 24 here. Like I said, it's really not doing anything. The momentum up or down is not very strong, so we may end up holding on to this $24 level here. So if we are going to move up, we got to get over the 21 and the 382 at 26. So Zcash needs to move up about 5% and break over 26, and then we'll have a shot at the 0.5 at 27 for a 11% move. And then, of course, we have our 618 here at 29 and your 100-day EMA for a 17.5% move. So from that high to that low, we could still technically come up to these levels here all the way to your 618 and still be bearish here and then come back down like that. So that is a possibility if we get a little pump going here. But as long as we maintain over this 24, then I would say the bottom may be in and this thing's going to start finally going up. That is a big if, though. I mean, nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody can really tell you what's going to happen with these things. All we can really do is, see what the chart tells us in whatever way we like to chart, which here on this channel, we like to use the fibs a lot and the EMAs. And you can see that from this high, or that low to that high, we were holding on to the 382, and then we just kind of fell. But we ultimately, twice now, or I guess you could say the first time, off of that wick. But you can see we did stay alive. We held on to the 786 at 23.56, and now we're trying. So without making this one too long, we'll just watch 26. We need to break over 26 to get any kind of momentum going up, and we need to hold on to 24 to keep that momentum, or just pretty much to stay alive. Because if we take this out, there's a good chance coming back down to 21.80 here is not going to hold. And then once we break this level here, then the bottom's not in at that point, and then I would say you are going to fall off the table. And even shorter, from that lower high here, or higher low rather, if we just look at the most recent price here, from this low we are making a higher low. So we have this bigger bullish market structure, and then we have this smaller bullish market structure. So we really want to hold on to 24 here. And then we'll start looking at higher price targets off of that macro low. So hopefully the bottom's in here, and all you guys invested in Zcash can finally start making some money when this thing starts to go up, and then we'll see where it ends up in the next bull run. So we will leave it at that on Zcash, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone, and peace out.